Oh, a cupboard in the making. Maybe. We have no idea what we're doing, but we're just going for it. We still don't know how we're going to attach hinges, but yeah, how hard can it be?
Randomly fill the framework, go from there. Oh, you're doing this one? Where's your... Let's just try to make a square. At least attempt to. Ooh, that's pretty good. Alright.
Hi all! So now, today we're going to be plumbing the depths of our knowledge on how to put this plumbing together. So, master tradesman here. Woohoo! Okay. And here's our chicken scratching notes on how to do it. And our little bits and pieces. And our trying to find bits that fit together.
Trying to find the attachment from here to there.
We couldn't find anything on this, so now we've had to get a whole lot of joined bits together. So who knows, we may have Old Faithful in the van, but we'll see. So on with the show. Okay, a quick pause in the plumbing for our second trip to Bunnings for today already. Yeah, we've just have 2 of these short. So back to Bunnings we go. And we'll catch you soon. Woohoo! Now finally got it all in, so now let's just see if it's all going to work. We've got our big fat, not Angela, I'm talking about the pipe going through here. Inlet pipe, which fills it all up. Our little outlet pipes down here. The little shut off little tap here goes into our water pump. We've got a little filter there through to the water pump, and on the outlet here from the water pump, the black pipe is going to go up to our sink, which will be up here, and the little clear one is going to go up into this little white bit, which is another water filter, which will go up into a little filter tap. And we just jerry-rig some power, so let's see how it goes.
Let me just... Yep.
Woohoo!
No, you do it, but hang on.
But we have... It's all dry. Cool. Success.
It's all dry. And water come out. Okay, shall we just put pressure on this one? Hang on. Just
this one I can see here as well. This is where little Angela's little water level thing. So hopefully as the water goes up when we fill it, we can see how much water is actually in the tank.
Turn it on again. I just want to put some pressure on this little hose. Okay, bad bit. And turn it off. I'm wet. And no leak.
Still no leaks.
Oh, I've got wet hands.
It's all dry.
It's wet because I've got wet hands. No, it's all dry. Oh, don't go too far backwards. Oh, you're too far away. What a shame. Hey, where's the car keys?
In the car.
Okay, not in your pocket. Woohoo! Whoa!
Now, can you settle?
Cool wildlife.
Well, just quick update before we stick the back of the cupboard on. So far we've got our little kitchen bench. We've got little USB sockets and 12-volt socket here. We have our IKEA cupboard because we can't do drawers, so we've got instant drawers that are going to head out that way. Oops, head out that way. The water tank down here is our grey water tank, so we're going to have our sink up here with the grey water just going straight into there, with our fresh water coming from our larger tank back there. And that's about it before we now cover it up. So we'll see what it looks like shortly. Okay, Angela's now doing the bench top, seeing the professional at work. Exact measurements here. Is your finger 14 millimeters wide?
Okay, the blue tape is the outside of the sink.
Not only do we have IKEA cupboards, but we also have IKEA pencils. So yet another weekend of Angela working all weekend again, so not much work done on the van, but we got a little bit done, so you can have a bit of a sneak peek of what's going to be happening next weekend when we got the whole weekend off to work. So we managed to cut out some holes for our little kitchen top. So this will be heading up on here. And oh, got some more holes for our 240 volts. And there's someone binging me. So this is what will be looking like our cupboard a little bit. And just one moment, I'll show you what else it'll look like. And here's a sneak peek with some of the gear in. So we've got our induction stove with a little vent at the back, because it all tends to go straight from the back of that one. And our little sink. Another IKEA sink. So IKEA, there'll be IKEA here. IKEA bed, IKEA everywhere. Oh, IKEA bushes. And that's about it for today. So we'll catch you all next time, when hopefully this should be more finished off. A bit of varnish on here. Oh, through the mess. oh, maybe a front across here on the next one, and our fridge through here, and our finishing touches, and hopefully not too much longer we should have our finished product that we can stay in. Woo! Until next time then, catch y'all.